Welcome, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious homemade margherita pizza. First, we start by making the pizza dough, step by step. We'll need 200 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast, a pinch of salt, and 30 grams of olive oil. We start by mixing the dry ingredients a little first, and then we gradually add 100 grams of water and begin to knead. Kneading is very important to make the dough cohesive. We spend a good 15 minutes kneading until it comes together and becomes smooth. Once it's ready, we place it in a clean bowl, cover it, and let it rest and ferment until it doubles in size. After fermentation, we stretch the dough on a floured surface, add tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, oregano, and any other toppings you love. Finally, we bake it in a very hot oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, until the edges are golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And just like that, your delicious margherita pizza is ready to serve.